Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Sniawbhalang dhar habakren cigelat pathai kebor hane kesengi kekat kandai tarik uno opera harjar arpsau hadin ke jingïalang na kebenca banyakren halor uput usam mat kejela asam ulaong mana kaliang kejongki ha keni ke jingïalang gelai kren ru halor ke jingwan shna surok karbi anglong autonomous council ha uput usam jong ke Shnong Mukroh ubak Sniawbhalang ulaong ba ke jingïkren menta kesengi kelong kebayaj baik yaj renti Badul ongru bak sorkar konsesyong jingïalang biang menyakren halor keni kamat haus nem thamai ubanwan. Habakali la keni ke jingïalang kaditang halor ke jingïkren ke jingwan shna surok ka KAAC ba Sniawbhalang ulong ba ke jingïkren kadai halor ki weipat ki kam kaput bat kejela asam. Shushu ulong bak sorkar kalabu iki bor pahara ha kitei kijaka kenang banlaj na kenu-kenu ke jingjia ke basngausi.
Had a discussion about this update about all these border things. It was a very good and fruitful meeting. So we are trying to update in all these villages, and especially when this last few days, so there is some construction work from the Assam. So we, from the regional committee, we are trying to discuss in such a manner. So maybe after New Year again we'll see again. So as of now everything is peaceful. There is no so maybe cannot have big hotel really try to sit in one more. Today is just a discussion between men.
Means the meeting was to discuss just about the construction work that was carried out by
that we are trying to update for the last we are trying to update all the border situation, how is the border situation. As of now there is no problem, everything is peaceful. And yes, there is some from Assam side, so we are trying to stop that.
And also, where is the progress like in terms of the talks, because you're supposed to visit the border areas?
The visit is not me. Actually, there is both the chief minister visit for the last few months they have decided, but till today they haven't. Maybe they will set time.
But has there been any deadline for the second phase to be completed?
Not deadline, because border issues. So we are trying to tackle these issues at the appropriate time.
So, since if you're worried about the construction work that is carried out by
Not worried, because obviously, and there is a decision also, all the developmental activities should not disturb, both the state government can do. Yes, if there is some concern from the local area, so we will do it.
So our security
Is there? Yes, don't worry. We are security is fully fine. Maybe I'm starting work.